Geechee Energy Day. I'm glad that y'all coming here with some energy, your body and thing ain't act like the film pilot director dragged y'all in here this morning and ready to watch this afternoon. So, we want some better energy. Can I get a little Gullah Geechee clap for me? Okay. Let me see who gonna win this prize. That's energy right there. We gonna see who blessed up the smiling this afternoon. Okay. But I'm so glad that all of y'all came out. I want to thank all of our presenters for being here with us here on St. Helena Island. This is the first time we've ever had an event like this, especially one done with the utility. The only thing we know with y'all is y'all sent us a bill. We wanted to make sure we had this so that people know you do more than just send out bills. And that there are more opportunities for people to learn about how to reduce the bill, how to be more energy efficient at their homes, and we especially love the fact that y'all got some jobs for some folks. So we're so happy to know that so many agencies were willing to come together and come to our community, even though y'all ain't got none material and thing crack teeth like we do and thing like that, y'all gonna have a tandem up. Y'all got come up, ¿qué pasa con estas? Y'all have the Spanish version, but y'all ain't got no Gullah Geechee pamphlets. So I kind of feel some kind of way about that, but I'm just messing with y'all. But that'll be a little difficult since Gullah is oral. So anyway, and fortunately we're bilingual, so we can read the English ones. But I'm very happy that all of you took the time out on a Saturday to come out and be here to really educate the community and to really bless our community with positive energy. So we're getting ready to give some food to all of you too. So we want to do it the Gullah Geechee way. Can we all stand up in a circle together so we can do a quick prayer before folks start to get it thing for now? Dear God, thank you for this day. Thank you for all the positive energy we're going to bring in. Thank you for all these children that are working. Oh, I pray, God, we thank you that we're not there in our lives to be like that. We don't pray for the children to hear you. We don't pray for the children all around the world that they have to stress this every. We don't pray to bring healing out. Yes. Why not something like that? So no more of this thing. God pour me a healing water. We pray for the family and things like that. They pray this thing for honor to bring healing into the house. Around us, we pray for abundance. So this thing, near poverty ain't gonna be no more. We pray say everybody how we need. We know say we get it. Honor got this year went up to him. So we pray say honor open up this day and drop down the blessing on all of these children were there, all of them were the kind, give them traveling mercy, traveling mercy going back. And we pray say, this shall circle you, never be broken. May I be a good circuit, and nothing but positive energy for going out into the world from just we being circled right here once in the day. So we want to bless up the food, bless up the hand, make them and things like that. And we pray say, you pour down more and more blessing from all we partners for this year, Gullah Geechee Energy Day. So for this year, even though we are just say thank you for the libation, we gonna say Ashe, 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 and Amen.